Predators got me moving young.
I'm joking with you, bro. Let's see here. What are you do? I can lay here for days.
He's like, you got the AC. All right. Pull the elbow back.
There we go.
Okay,
That one good.
And pull.
Nice.
And we'll go like this. And there. Deep breath. And out. Very good. How'd that feel? Feel good?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, lay down again right here. Okay, so we're gonna do the neck now. So we're just gonna bring you over here.
Ow!
And same thing right here. Very good. Okay. Pretty good there. Both hands here. Okay, I'm gonna hook like this and like this. Deep breath in. Very good. All right.
Yeah, thank you.
How you feel?
Good.
Good?
Good.
All right. Pull this elbow back. Pull.
Oh!
Okay. And pull.
Oh, yeah.
Good ones.
That was good.
Those were good ones.
All right,
Yeah.
stand up. We're just gonna go right here, both hands here. And
Oh.
hands here.
Oh, fuck. Fudge.
Good one too, huh? All right, go face up right here. Live? Feeling good? Feeling bad? Great.
Great. Oh, man. I think that I needed that one.
Yeah. Ta-da.